Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about object oriented programming in Swift. Classes in Swift are building blocks of flexible construct. Similar to constants, variables and functions, the user can define class properties and methods. Swift allows us to create classes as a single file, and the external interfaces will be created by default once the classes are initialized. So let's create class in Swift, class vehicle, and define some properties here like number of wheels 0, speed 0, fuel tank 0, and the name. And let's define a method which will return true or false for fuel. Func has fuel and the return type bool return fuel tank not equal to 0. Let's define an object of this vehicle. Let car is equals to vehicle, car.name is equals to cx100, and print the car name is car.name. If car has fuel, then print this car can run. And the car name is cx100. And if we set the fuel, car.fuel tank is equals to 20, then you can see that this car can run. These are properties and these are methods, and this is class and this is object. And we can define constructor like this, init, and we can assign variable types like this. And for constructor of the class, we will define like this: number of wheels integer, speed integer, fuel tank integer, and name string. And for setting the values, self.name, self.number of wheels, and self.speed, and self.fuel tank. And here at the time of defining the object, we will define object like this: number of wheels 4, speed 120, fuel tank 50, and the name is CX. Let's define one more method here, description. And then car.description. And here is the error: unresolved identifier fuel, because the variable name is fuel tank. And here is the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.